Good old daddy. Leave the camera, we're gonna show him how to milk. This is how I milk. I use a bottle that has a tapered neck so that I can hold it sideways. So that debris can't fall in it, and I don't need to use a filter screen. And what I do is put my right elbow on my knee to support my back. I'm milking in the middle of the Dollar General store before they open because we slept behind it last night. And then I shift over to putting my back weight on my left knee. It's my chest is pressed up against. So I'm supporting my body with my left knee, and I do my lefty. Because sheep release their milk slower because it's a much higher butter fat. So you can't just milk them out really quick like a cow or a goat. It takes time for the thicker milk to trickle down into their teat area. So now I shift over and put my back weight on my right elbow that's rested on my right knee. And this is how I switch back and forth, which allows for the time it's needed for the thick milk to trickle down into the milkable area. So I shift back over to the left side and put my body weight on my resting on my left knee. Let's go. You gotta bump each time to help the thick milk come down. Good girl. All right. She's done milking. She has no debris in her milk, but sometimes we have a little bit of debris on the neck of the rim, and that's easily just blown off since it's on the outside. Tony! Good girl, you stay here. So, yeah, now we got clean milk. We got a good pint. Got a good 500 or 600 calories here. And keep it cool in my milk sleeve.